Get your weather 24/7, all local, all the time. Turn to Channel 3 for Wxscan by the Weather Channel.
Currently in your area. Currently, the temperature is 83 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, strong to severe thunderstorms, low 49. For Friday, fair, high 69, winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Our week ahead.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Morris County in northern New Jersey until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chester, or 9 miles west of Morristown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinnelon, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, Riverdale, Chester, Victory Gardens, Saucasuna, Kenville, and Parsippany. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 35 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 33 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Morris, New Jersey.
The local Doppler radar.